Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about how to create recurring invoices in FreeAgent software. So for that we'll come in work menu. Here you will get option of recurring invoices. Once you click here you will get this kind of display, and here first of all we need to create recurring invoice profile. So we'll click on add recurring profile button, and here we need to fill the basic detail of the invoices like customer name, invoice number, start date, then after frequency. And if we want to create recurring invoice on monthly basis or weekly basis, we have to select the frequency. Okay, then after we have to enter the last date, that is in until. So in until tab I'll enter the last date. Okay, then after I'll enter payment terms, currency. Okay, as per the requirement I can change the currency and additional tax and all the things. After filling all the details, we'll click on create new profile. So as you can see, the recurring profile has been created, but still it is in draft status. So we need to activate first. And before activation of the profile, we need to fill the invoice item. So I am writing sales here. Then after unit price and select the VAT as applicable. Okay. So now our invoice has been created here. And if I want to make any change, I can do from edit button. And if I want to make any change in recurring profile, then I can do it from here, and also I can also delete the profile from here. Now my profile has been activated. Okay, it is mentioned that the next invoice date is on 7th December 22nd, so it will be automatically create. Okay, and from here I can edit the recurring profile. And if I want to make any change in invoice, then first of all I need to change the status from activate to draft. Then only edit button will appear here. Okay, so let's go in invoicing section. Here you can see the invoice which is in draft status. So I need to change from draft to sent. Now let's go in recurring. So from here you can edit the profile and remove the profile. Okay, so in this manner you can create recurring invoices and also remove the recurring invoices profiles. Okay, thanks for watching.